Hey everyone, in this video we will discussing about how you can deploy your project through the Vercel into the internet. So what is the deployment? If I'm giving you an example, this is a website I have created. This is a normal wishlist app. It's not my major product, it's just a minor project.
Would like to take notes while I take totes of the mouth.
Only for the sharp my skill that I have learned through the HTML and JavaScript.
अबे साले
Actually, I have used the Tailwind CSS. As you can see, there is a class and there is a lot of things I have done at here.
अच्छा हमको सिखा रिया है
There is only the HTML. This is the JavaScript. This is the JavaScript, and I have done Tailwind CSS. Let's comment here. Okay, so this is the wishlist tab. It's a normal wishlist tab where what I want to do, I just write here that I want to do a skydiving. I just submit it. Or if today I will done it, I just comment here, click on this checkbox. If I want to delete it, I can delete it. Okay, it not only for the one task, you can do many tasks. Skydiving, dinner with friends.
क्या ये क्या बक रहे हो
And if I have done it, just comment here, click on this checkbox, and if I want to delete it, I just go and delete it. If I have done it, I just comment here, click on this checkbox and just delete it. So this is a normal application that I have done. Okay, so there is a one more other way that you can watch this website in your mobile. So the command is that the npx serve dot, so it gives me a https IDs that I can learn locally and in my laptop also. Just click the control and come at the local, and I can see my website at here. As you can see that it deploy it in localhost 300. Okay, and if I want to check my mobile, and if I want to check this through my mobile, so I can do. But the one thing that is always matter in this case, you have to connect your mobile as same as your laptop is connected to that Wi-Fi. Okay, so that's the main thing. Just comment here. This is my local host. Okay, so now the thing is that I want to deploy it into the Vercel. So what is the Vercel? Vercel is a cloud-based platform that it helps you to deploy your project into the internet. This is not the only one thing. There is also called a Firebase through the Google. There is also called through the Microsoft. There is also called AWS, which is the very famous through the Amazon. So there is a very big chance up here, but the Vercel that gives you totally free. First we have to go in my GitHub. My GitHub. This is my GitHub. I have to comment here. This is my all repos. As you can see, this that I have made. Where is my wishlist app? Yeah, this is my wishlist app. Let's comment here. This is my wishlist app. As you can see, there is all the files are here. Okay, I have to comment in the Vercel. Okay. Go into the new project, commit the project, add GitHub account, add the password, confirm, search a repo name. Okay, configure with GitHub app. Okay, just search your repo name, configure with GitHub app. Select repository. Select the repository called wishlist app. I'm really sorry. Comment here. Select repository. Okay. I have to delete all repository. It might not give me anything. Okay. There is a one called a wishlist app that I want to import it. So I am gonna import it. Okay. Just comment here. Just tap into the deploy. It might take few time, approximately 2 minutes or 1 minute, or might take also 30 seconds. Okay, it only takes a 5 seconds. We just come here, continue dashboard. Okay, so I can watch it. So this is my wishlist tab. This is my wishlist tab, and this is my URL, which is now my Vercel is deployed this project into the internet. I mean, anyone can use this my project. I mean, in the world, if the person was sitting in the US can use this my project.
No, I'm telling you.
Okay, so there is a few more projects I have done here. There's called a weather app, which is also a normal project. If I write here anything, any city name, Jamshedpur, it gives me the weather of Jamshedpur. If I write any city in the world, if I write a New York, it gives me a temperature. It gives me a temperature of the New York. It gives me a weather of the New York. If I come here, if I write Meghalaya, it also gives me the weather of the Meghalaya. As you can see, there is a called ultra light rain in Meghalaya, so it gives me. It also changes the background, which is a very, I mean, not a very hard task to done. Very normal, simple, very simple. So these are the three things that I have to done. And if you want to follow me in the GitHub, you can also comment here and follow me. And thank you so much for watching this video. Feel free to subscribe this channel. Bye.